DOT crews are in Massachusetts and Rhode Island to help with snow cleanup. Now, they left their Wethersfield garage at about 4 o'clock this morning. If you look at the screen now, you can actually see video of what the fleet looked like before they left. 20 pieces of equipment left this station, and about 40 crew members did as well. But in total around the state, 125 drivers and mechanics and more than 80 pieces of equipment left the state as part of a mutual aid request by Governor Ned Lamont through the Emergency Management Assistance Compact. Governor Lamont praised them for their hard work and says he appreciates that they have accepted this mission to provide support to our neighbors. Their tireless dedication and commitment makes us proud. Now, Josh Morgan with the Department of Transportation says that Connecticut residents don't need to worry about crews being out of state. He says Connecticut will be their first priority if the weather turns upside down.
We're going to be in constant contact with the supervisors and the crew leaders who are out there managing these operations in Massachusetts and Rhode Island. And then if there's even a hint that we're going to have some inclement weather and we need all hands on deck here, we're going to call them back here and make sure that our Connecticut crews are fully staffed.
Now, Josh Morgan says that this is one of the largest responses from the Connecticut DOT in recent history. He says this crew in Wethersfield headed to Fall River, Massachusetts to help with the snow cleanup. They're going to be working 24-hour shifts, 12 on and 12 off. Now, it's unknown when they're going to be coming back as of now. He says that they're going to be working at least until Sunday, March 1st, but that could change depending on the weather that we get here in our state. He says Connecticut is their top priority, and they can come back on short notice if need be. For now in Wethersfield, Joe Monti, Fox 61.